Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see how we can install a plugin in WordPress website. So before proceeding further, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification about upcoming videos from my channel. First of all, let's discuss what is a plugin. So plugin is a building blocks of WordPress website. If you have a WordPress website, then definitely you must have used plugins. In general term, we can say plugin is a bunch of code which is written by a developer or a team of developer which performs certain tasks in your WordPress website. For example, if you want to add a feature in your website that if users come to your website, then they should be able to share your post or your pages to social media like Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Writing a code to achieve this feature is very much difficult, and you have chosen WordPress in the first place to avoid this kind of coding. So you just have to install a plugin, and that will help you to implement the feature that you want. Now, another example would be if you want to implement a feature of user registration or user login. For that also plugin is available. You can install the plugin in your WordPress website. You have to configure that plugin, and then users will be able to register to your website, and later they can come to your website, they can enter username and password, and they will be able to access your WordPress website. Now let's discuss how we can install it. So first way is to install it from the WordPress plugin directory, and for that you have to log into the dashboard. So here I am in my dashboard of my WordPress website. In left hand side you will be able to see a option called plugin. Under that plugins there will be option called add new. Just click on it, and here you will be able to see a lot of plugins here. So you can go to featured, you can go to popular, recommended, and favorites to get some plugins. But if you have a plugin in your mind, then you can directly search a plugin here. Let me search for a plugin called a forum. So I want to implement a forum features in my website. So I just typed forum forum, and it will give results of the plugin that is available in WordPress plugin directory. You can see here you have options called install now. You just have to click on it to install it. So before that, if you want to see more details about a specific plugin, then you can click on more details. Here you can see that how many rating has been given, so 187 rating, and here we will be able to see the active installation. This particular plugin seems good to me, so I will click on install, and it will start installing the plugin in your website. It may take some time based on your internet speed, and once the installation process is completed, we will be able to see an option called activate. Now you will have to click on activate to complete the installation process for this particular plugin. So as we can see here, plugin is activated, and now left hand side itself we will be able to see our plugin that we have just installed. Now if you are not able to see that plugin here, then probably you should check the setting options where you will be able to see the plugin here. But for this plugin we can see that one option is there here, forums. So this was one of the way to install a plugin. The second way is to download a plugin from the official websites. So let me download one of the plugin from the WordPress official website. So here you can see that I am inside wordpress.org plugins/user registration. So user registration is the plugin that I'm going to install it. So it's help you to create custom registration form, login, and user profiles for WordPress. You can also download a plugin from the official websites of the plugins developer, but it's always recommended to install it whichever plugin is available in WordPress plugin directory. We'll have to click on download, so that a zip file will be downloaded here, and we'll have to go to that location where the file is downloaded. In my case it is under download folder, and just I have to copy this path. Again go back to your WordPress dashboard, and under plugin again we have to click on add new, and at top of this page you will be able to see option called upload plugin. So click on it, and here we will see a option called choose file. So click on it, and then browse to the path where your plugin is located, and then click on the zip file of the plugin. So make sure that you are uploading a zip file alone. You must select the zip file only and then click on open. And as we can see here, our plugin name is showing here, and then click on install now. So this will again install the plugin. It may take some time based on your internet speed. And once the installation process is complete, you will be able to see a page like this where we will see plugin installed successfully. Now we will have to activate the plugin so that the installation process is complete. Now once the activation is completed, you will be able to see an option. Here it is for this plugin, that is user registration. Again, you have to go to all of this section in order to configure the registration features. So that's all for this video. So in this video we saw how we can install a plugin by two methods. First one was to install the plugin directly from the WordPress plugin directory, and second was to download the plugin and install it and then activate it. Now I request to you guys, if you feel that this video was informative, then don't forget to like, and don't forget to share it as well. And once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification about upcoming videos.